Hello friends, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about binary search. So binary search, whenever you came across this problem, you need to first understand we can apply binary search only in an sorted array. This is the first thing you need to remember, or else you cannot apply binary search. Okay, so here binary search, it uses two pointer technique like left and right pointers, right? So using these two pointers we can find the target element 9 from the array. Okay, so how can we do that? First of all, we are assigning the pointer left and right. Okay, then we are adding those pointer indices. Like for example, here left is 0, adding the last indices, which is uh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 is equal to 5. We are dividing it by 2. So it would come around 2 point something, right? So we can ignore the point value, and now we have found the index 2. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the middle value. Second index is the middle value, right? So using this technique, we can able to find the target value. So right now 3 is not the target value, right? So we need to move the left pointer to this place. So we can do m plus 1, which means right now L is in 0th index, right? L is in 0th index. So we can do m plus 1. So m, which is already in second position, right? So 2 plus 1, which should be, which comes around 3. Okay, so we can move the pointer here and skip these areas for checking. So we can able to do the search very fast by cutting down some unwanted values. Now we need to do the same step again. Left press right divided by 2. So which means the index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So here it would be 3 plus 5 equal to 8 divided by 2. So it would be 4, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to move the middle value here. Now we need to check if the middle value, like this value, is equal to the target. Yes. So we will be returning the answer like the index value, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So we need to return the index 4. So you can see in this question they are asking about the target 9, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the output, and here for this example the target is 2, which is not present in this array. So at the time we need to handle the edge case. So uh, better I will show in the code. Okay, so we are giving 2 pointers. Left is 0 and right is dot length minus 1. Okay, then we need to run the while loop based on the condition. So if less than or equal to right. Why I have given equal to means, what suppose if the number is not present? For example, here number 4 is not present, means this left right, and middle would be here at one point of time, right? So left can also be moved to this position, index position. So left and right can be equal. So that's why I have given equal condition. We need to check whether the number of left, okay, this number is less than, I forgot to tell one thing. We need to first of all find the mid value, right? Mid value would come around left plus right, okay, plus right divided by 2. Now here we need to check if the mid value is equal to target. Okay, if it is equal to target, we need to simply return the mid value. Else if what we need to do, else if we need to check for another condition where nums of made which is less than the target, less than, I can do like this, which is greater than the target. Okay, if the number is greater than the target, we need to do right, okay, we need to write mid minus 1, else left is equal to plus 1. So if the number is not found, you can simply return minus 1, right, which is here mentioned in the question. Let me run the program. So semicolon. Oh, somewhat I hear one mistake I have given. Okay. Sorry, I have given let should be int mid value is equal to left plus right divided by 2. Okay. Accepted. Yeah. So this is the solution for the binary search. I hope you have understood the video regarding binary search. If you do like the video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.